Let's go.
It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back today. I haven't done one of these in such a long time, but it's time for me to do another clipper review, right? As y'all know, I'm sponsored by Wahl. If you didn't know, now you know. So what that means that they'll send me a pair of clippers, trimmers, or a hair product, and they ask me to review it, right? And they want my honest opinion. So that's what I do. I give my honest opinion. And the fact that I'm doing a review on this particular clipper means a lot, right? Because I try not to do reviews on trimmers or clippers unless it's really good or it's really bad. You know what I mean? So for me, on this one, this happens to be a really good clipper. Now, you know, in the last video, I showed myself actually using these clippers, right? And I mentioned something about it in the video. If you didn't see that video, it's like 2 videos back. You can check it out. And if you didn't see it, I'm going to post it up in the corner right here while I'm talking also, so you can see, you know, what I was talking about when I was using it. But anyway, so the clipper that I'm talking about is the designer. So this is the designer. You see how it is? It's sleek, looks nice, all black. You know, you got the chrome finish on the blade. You see the blade. Remind me, I'm gonna remember to talk about this blade and why I love this blade, right? The thing I like about it is lightweight. It's about maybe about a pound, a little over a pound, right? So it's very comfortable. Also, you can grab it. Wahl is known for you can put your hands here in the grooves, right, and hold it, and it's good for flicking, right? That's what I like about this. Also, that's another thing I like. Another thing, it has an electromagnetic motor, so it lets you cut through wet and dry hair, which is another, you know, good thing about this clipper. Cuts through wet and dry hair, so you won't have a problem at all with any type of hair, right? Also, the runtime is about, I want to say like 90 minutes, right? It's about 90 minutes runtime. I forgot the box, but I think it's about 90 minutes runtime, right? So I've used this for at least like over like 5 haircuts before I even start to feel like it's you know, losing a charge, right? So 5 haircuts, I do 30-minute haircuts. That's a little over 2.5 hours, right? So yeah, this. And then also this blade, right? This is not the normal Wahl blade that you might find on the Magic Clip or the Seniors, right? Because normally this is super flat, which would make it a surgical blade, right? But this is like a fading blade to me because it's not totally flat, but it comes off the skin a little bit. So when you're doing your scooping motion, it scoops right up and off of it, right? With the one that comes on the Magic Clip, the surgical, it just stays on the skin. It stays flat, right, on the skin. So this is a great clipper for blending. If you want to be able to blend well, effortlessly, have a blurry big blend, this is your clipper, right? No lie, this is your clipper, and it's cut smooth, and listen to the sound. right? You hear the sound, it's not loud or anything, runs very smooth, right? Now, the only thing about it, I didn't zero gap these, right? You don't want all your clippers to be zero gap all the time because you want to be able to do different things with your clippers. So pair these with a pair of Magic Clip or Seniors that zero gap, and you're gonna get excellent haircuts all the time. So what I would do if I was you, I would blend all the way down with these until I couldn't blend no more. Then I'd take my Magic Clip that zero gap and come and finish it up, give it that detailed look. I'm gonna do the detailing with the ones that zero gap because I can get closer in certain spots that these couldn't. But if I just want to blend, if I want to knock, like for people with waves, if you want to knock it down and not feel like it's too rough on their waves, you just want it to be smooth and glide and keep that form, this is your clipper. The other best thing about this clipper is the fact that it's $69, right? So you might get a pair of Seniors that's close to 200 or something like that, 160, something like that. I can't remember. But I know that it's double the price of these, right? So if you're a beginner, if you're a veteran and you never had these are like my new favorite clippers by Wahl. Now they got something else coming up that I might like also, but this is the one for me right now. I mean, Matt, you can't go wrong with Magic Clip or Seniors either, but I think because I've had Magic Clip and Seniors for so long, you know, from Wahl, I slept on these. I never ever had these. And the way when I first cut with them and, you know, used them fresh out the box and the blend that it gave me, I was just like, man, what is this? What have I been doing? You know what I mean? So if you want nice blends, this is your clipper. Now, you could zero gap it and it might, you know, do something different to it. I don't know. But I like it the way it is, fresh out the box. It comes with combs and, you know, it comes with attachments, you know, oil and a brush. The same thing that Wahl always gives you, right? So, buttery blends, easy to blend with, right? Blurry blends, good price, good run time, cuts through wet and dry hair, right? And the blade is not a surgical blade. It's a fade blade to me, a taper blade, whatever you want to call it. Adjustable, you know what I mean? So those are the perks of this clipper. Like I said, the only thing about this clipper is I didn't zero gap it, so I don't know exactly what it's gonna do. So, you know, for me, that's about the only thing. I really don't have nothing bad to say about it. But also it's lightweight. Again, it's lightweight. So some people like heavier clippers because they feel they can get the feel in their hand. Me, I like a light clipper where I can go through my motions faster, smoother, easier. My wrist don't get tired, my arm don't get tired. So for me, this is a perfect weight for me, right? So anyway, if you want to see more reviews, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend or tell a friend. You know how we do it. Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.